Good evening friends, welcome to our channel. I hope that you all are okay and well. So today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the chemical industries company which is manufacturing vegetable oil and distributing or selling their product not only in India as well as out of India. So you have seen, now you can see on the screen the chart of this company, and it is showing that the company has already touched their old value which was happened in 2018, and after that you can see company's performance here. The company has given last 5-year return is 90%, but last 10-year returns companies has provided 600% return. Company from chemical, market cap 248 crore, small cap company, and enterprise value 335 crore. It means that company's market cap is less than their enterprise value. Book value per share 119.13. It means that the current values almost 2 times of their book value. Price to earning ratio is 10.1. Very low price to earning ratio is near 10, and also the PEG ratio is 1.3. Whenever PEG ratio is more than 1, it is considered as something a flat trend for this stock. Dividend is 0.62, means companies whatever they are earning are creating profit, they are distributing to their investor as a dividend. Okay, let's talk about what company is doing here. Company has been was incorporated in July 5, 1929 at Mumbai, and the company manufacturing vegetable oils and Vanaspati margarine, plastic mineral chemicals, foundry product, spark plugs, and industries ceramics. IVP Ltd was the last large-scale Indian venture that offered the latest technology to the foundry industry of India, and this was back in 1964. Today the company is the leader in the rations and binder system and continues to maintain its position in the performance. Now let's talk more information about the company. Delivery, you can see here the deliveries right now is showing 241, 240, 50, 47, 50, 60%. That is good. And if you talk about the corporate action, the company's corporate, they are paying dividend consistently. And if you go here in the technical, and there you can see the indicator right now it's overbought zone. Please talk with your technical advisor before taking any further position technically. And if you talk about the fundamental here, it is from chemical, as I talked earlier. It is from a small cap company. Earning per share of this company is 23.86 and price to earning ratio is 10.1. Industry P is 38.83 and book value per share is 119.13. Price to book value 2.02 and dividend is 0.62. Number of shares subscribed 1.03 and face value 10. Now if you talk about the result here, if you check the quarterly result here first, you can see that the company's quarterly result is something subdued and flat in last few quarters. But earlier it was 167 crore, now it is 141. You see something down, and also EBITDA is showing from 7 crore to 9 crore, and also other income also increased slowly, and along with that the company interest also decreased in last few quarter. It means that companies removing whatever debt they are having, and they are returning or repaying the money to the bank nicely and quickly. If you talk about the profit, company profit was earlier 5.7, now it is showing 4.64. Excellent performance by the company. If you talk about the annual return for this, or annual balance sheet or annual result for this company, so you can see here that so annual return, it is showing that the company's sales has been increased from 228 crore to 613 crore, exponential increase in the return. Company's EBITDA in the March 2020 was minus 0.08, but now it is 38 crore. Company's EBITDA is there. Even companies paying interest something, you can say now it is paying 10.9 crore interest, means they are having too much debt, but they are also repaying very fast, as we have seen earlier in the quarterly result. And also you can see that the PAT, company's PAT is also increased from 4.5 crore to 24 crore, and net profit also increased from 4.5 to 24 crore. Excellent performance by the company. If you talk about the return ratio, return on equity is showing 26.6, and return on capital employed also improved is 20.6. Return on asset also improved to 6.89. But please check with your advisor before taking any further position. EBITDA margin for this company is right now it is showing almost 6.43, PBIT margin 7.59, and PAT margin 4.24. Company's earning per share is also improved to 27, and book value per share is improved to 114. So this is the way working capital reducing, very good, and also inventory turnover ratio, you can see it is also reduced. So these all are very good indicator, but always check with your advisor before taking a further position in this company. Let's talk about balance sheet. And if you check the balance sheet here, the company's equity capital, they are not changing. The management are having a good balance sheet here because they are not changing their equity capital. It is showing 10. Reserves are also increasing here from 61 crore to 113 crore. Non-current liabilities is just 4 crore, and current liabilities is 195 crore. Even they are reducing the current liabilities. Non-current asset is 77 crore, very good. And if you talk about the current asset, and you can see the inventory is 68 crore, sundry debtor 168 crore, cash in bank 4 crore. So these all are very good indicator for this company. If you talk about the profit and loss statement, 229 crore was the March 2020 sales, but it is now 613 crore. And PBIT also increased from 2 crore to 41 crore. Company's PAT improved from 5 crore to 25 crore in last 4 years. And here if you see the cash flow, company is having very good and maintaining nice and good cash flow. Company is having some cash of 4 to 5 crore. And if you talk about promoter holding intact 71.32, in which 59.39% holding from Indian promoter and 11.93 holding from foreign promoter. Public holding is intact here 28.68, and DIA holding is 0.02, and non-institution holding is 28.66. But always check with the advisor before taking further position in this company. Promoter group and shareholding, you can see here Alana Export Private Limited having 34.34 holding here. And these are the board of director. You can read about Mandhar Joshi, and these are the different Rajiv Lodha. So always check with the advisor before taking further position in this company. And these are the fundamental scan: high return on equity, improved return on equity, and consistent dividend paying. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Always check with your advisor.